First up, we're using Leonardo AI. This tool is fantastic for generating realistic avatars. It uses advanced algorithms to create detailed and lifelike images. Let's see what it comes up with. First, I clicked on image creation, and this allowed me to then enter a prompt, which I took a bit of time over creating the initial version, and it came up with a bunch of handsome looking men. Much more handsome than me. But then I actually decided that I'd go on the left hand side and select some other options. So I changed the model to cinematic because that was the kind of look I wanted. And then you can actually change a few settings on here. So I changed the image dimensions, for instance. And after that, I just tried a few different prompts, a few different options to see if I could change this character to look a bit more like me in the setting that I'm in, which was never going to be perfect, but you can see it came up with some really interesting options. And eventually I ended up with this one that I love most. It's created a whole load of 30-something-year-old men that look just like me, although a bit more handsome. If that's possible, of course.
Of course, it's possible. I'm the upgraded version of you, remember?
Oh great, an avatar with an ego. Next, we're using Krea AI. This tool is perfect for upscaling the quality of your images. It enhances resolution and clarity, making your avatar look stunning in HD. All you had to do here is upload your image, and you can see it took a little while to actually digest it. But then once it's in, you've got this difference between the original photo with slightly wonky eyes and a bit blurry to a really high definition image. I found this amazing, really impressive. And there we go, high definition handsomeness. I might need to start using this for my profile pictures.
You're welcome.
Don't get too full of yourself. Now it's time to give our avatar a voice. We're going to use 11 Labs for this. This tool offers a range of sophisticated voice options, perfect for making your avatar sound as impressive as it looks. Once you've chosen the voice you like most, you just write a script out, and then you can download that script with the voice itself and use that for your avatar. Wow, this one sounds like it should be narrating documentaries. Perfect.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, come on, now you're just showing off. Finally, we're using DupDub to bring our AI avatar to life. This tool animates the avatar and syncs the voice, making it look and sound like a real person. This is really simple. All you do is you select AI avatar, then you upload your original photo. Don't use one of those uploaded face photos because you've already created your own, and then you upload the sound file and generate, and eventually, it takes a little bit of time, it comes up with what you want. And there it is, my very own AI avatar. Let's be honest, you're looking good, buddy.
Thanks. I couldn't have done it without you.
Sure, just don't let it get to your head. Creating this AI avatar was a really fun experience. I was genuinely impressed by how easy it was to use these tools and achieve such amazing results without needing too much technical knowledge. Avatars like this are a great way of creating personalized content and making an experience that really stands out.
This was all possible using just a few tools, including Leonardo AI, Krea AI, 11 Labs and DupDub. All the links to those are below.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so make sure you like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.
Look at you! You're already a YouTube pro!
What can I say? I'm a fast learner.
I've recently started creating a bunch of videos that are looking at different AI tools that you can build into your everyday life, especially targeted at those that are interested in innovation and building new products. If you like this kind of content, I'd love it if you could look at my page and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'm pretty new on here, so I'm experimenting with different kind of videos. And comment below if you like this, or if you found similar tools that have been really great for making AI avatars for yourself.
Bye for now.
I couldn't let him have the last word.